Let's take a look at the Bryant HousewisesSmart thermostat, also known as the T6WEM. The Housewise offers a sleek, modern design that looks great on any wall. There are a few things I'd like to point out on the current standby screen. On this screen, you will see a list of your home's current temperature. Just below is your home's current humidity. At the bottom, if your thermostat is registered, you will find today's forecast. At the top right is an icon showing if your Housewise is connected to Wi-Fi and the strength of the connection. If you tap anywhere on the standby screen, you will be taken to the home screen. Let's take a quick look at the navigation process to register your thermostat. Tap on Menu and Settings. If your thermostat has not been registered, you will see a Registered Thermostat option. Click on the Registered Thermostat and follow until you reach a 4-digit PIN number. This PIN number is required to register your Housewise thermostat online at bryant.com/myhome. When at the My Home webpage, you will select the picture of your thermostat from the options screen and follow the steps provided to create an account and register your thermostat. Let's look at how you program your heating and cooling schedules on the Housewise thermostat. The first step with the Housewise is to program your comfort profiles. So let's select Profiles, then Temperature Profiles. The Housewise has Wake, Away, Home, and Sleep for your comfort profile options. You'll see each list separate heating, cooling, and fan settings. Let's select Wake to see how those settings can be modified. You can adjust your heating set point and the fan settings during heating mode. You can also set your cooling set point and separate fan setting while in cooling mode. Once you have made your modifications, you can save. I'm going to cancel because we've already had profiles set on this thermostat. You will repeat this process for all 4 comfort profiles. Once you have set up all your comfort profiles, select Done. Now let's set your schedule. Navigate to the scheduler by selecting Menu, then Schedules. The easiest way to set your schedule is to use the guided schedule. The Housewise allows you to set up several different kinds of schedules. You can schedule all 7 days the same, set a 5-2 schedule, or select specific days you wish to program. I'm going to select the Weekdays button to show you how to set the weekday part of a 5-2 schedule. You will see Monday through Friday is now highlighted and will be changed. First, you will be asked to set the time that you plan to wake up. Make your changes and select Next. You are now reminded of your wake profile settings. Next, you will be asked if anyone will be home throughout the day. Since I am creating a work week schedule, I'm going to select No. Now you are asked when you plan to leave the home. Make any changes and select Next, and you'll see a reminder of your Away comfort profile. Next, you will select the time that you plan to return home. Make your changes and select Next to see a reminder of the home profile settings. You are now asked if you would like to have different settings while sleeping. Let's say yes, then set the time when you are most likely to go to bed. Again, you are reminded of your profile settings you previously made. When Next is selected, you are shown a summary of the changes made to the schedule, followed by a reminder of the days being modified. At this point, you have created a weekday schedule that can be saved. I'm going to back out of the scheduler since a schedule has already been created on this thermostat. Once you've completed your schedule, You can make changes to it by selecting View or Edit Schedule. You'll see here the thermostat shows today's schedule, with times along with the heating and cooling settings. You could click on the set time or profile to change it for the day shown on the screen. Let's take a look at how you adjust your thermostat settings for a vacation. Select Menu, then Vacation, and select Plan Vacation. With the Housewise, you can pre-schedule your vacation. First, you'll set the time and date when you want your vacation settings to take over. Next, you will set your heating, cooling, and fan settings. Lastly, you will set the time and date of when you will return from your vacation and you want your regular schedule to resume. When you select Next, you will be shown a vacation review which lists when your vacation begins and ends, along with the heating and cooling settings you've made. If everything looks correct, you will select Save. I don't want to save this vacation, so I will press Delete. Remember, if your thermostat is registered, you will not only have today's forecast showing on the standby screen, but you will also be able to navigate to see a full 5-day forecast. This can be done by selecting Menu and Weather. You will see today's forecast at the top with the following 4 days below. Let's take a look at some of the other profile settings that can be made on the Housewise. You can make adjustments to your fan settings so that your fan will run for a set period of time every hour. So I could set the fan to run for 15 minutes at the beginning of every hour. You can also adjust your desired humidity level if you have a humidifier controlled by this thermostat. You can make your humidity adjustments by making changes to the percentage of the humidity in your home's air, or you can change to the Window Protect mode, which allows your thermostat to keep a comfortable humidity level while ensuring condensation does not form on your home's windows. Settings for the Window Protect mode are 1 through 7, 7 being for highly efficient windows. You can also make dehumidification adjustments during cooling season. You see here, I can set the system to cool an additional amount to reach a desired humidity level. The Housewise also has touch-and-go capability, meaning you can make short-term changes to your current settings right from the home screen. You can also set these changes to run for a desired length of time should you want it to continue past your next scheduled profile change. Simply make the change and go on with your day. I'd like to note a couple things here on the home screen. At the top of the screen, you will see your fan along with heating and cooling modes listed. Not only are these reporting what modes your system are currently set on, but they are also quick access points to make changes. I can touch here on the fan settings and change the fan to on or leave it on auto. I can touch at the top right and change the system to heating only, cooling only, aux or emergency heat, auto, or off. This covers many of the common functions and changes a homeowner might make with the Housewise. Should you have additional questions about your thermostat, just give us a call at 402-467-1111.